Structures claimed by Hurricane Laura, South Cameron Memorial Hospital. Residents have had only a mobile health unit in its place the last 5 years, and the future for emergency medical services in the parish remains unclear. KPLC's Brendan Brown has the story.
Rebuilding the hospital in Cameron Parish remains a contentious topic among officials there. Low population, few specialists, financial constraints, all things being considered by the hospital board. Dr. Kevin Dubke is one of 6 members on the Lower Cameron Hospital Board. Today he spoke with 7 News as an individual, knowing others on the board may not agree with his stance on whether a new hospital should be constructed.
If I just go back briefly on history, we lost our last hospital here with Laura. That was the 3rd hospital we lost down here. But to let folks know, for example, for the 5 years the hospital was open before it got destroyed, they only admitted 2 patients to the hospital. Over a 5-year period, only 2 patients admitted.
Dubke says it would cost $20 million to build a new hospital, not to mention operating costs.
My estimate to run it, it's going to look at $13 to $15 million a year to operate it. Now, if you're only going to see 1 patient or 2 patients a day in a hospital, and you can't admit patients to the beds, I'll talk about that in a second, you have to question the finances.
Cameron currently only has a mobile health clinic providing medical service to the area. Dubke says there are no medical specialists to treat patients, so the capabilities of a new facility would be limited. Post-Laura, a plan to rebuild the hospital was announced. It included a completion date of 2025. We've seen no movement on the project. The board's attorney, DA Tom Barrett, did speak with us. He says an insurance settlement from Hurricane Laura remains in litigation, and he's unable to provide any information regarding the parish's plans to rebuild or scrap the project. 7 News also reached out to the hospital board members for comment with no response. Cynthia.
Thanks, Brendan. And of course, that was not the only casualty of the storm. 5 years after Hurricane Laura destroyed Westlake's old public works building, city leaders are turning the page. They broke ground today on a new facility they say will make crews more effective in serving residents. Our Jacob Seaver is in Westlake with more.